Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing about how to use TurboTax for free. So you can see on my screen I have TurboTax, and this allows you to simply file your taxes by using the online platform, and super easy. And the amazing part is this is going to be completely free. So what you need to do is simply head over to the link for the free edition, and you need to head over to TurboTax Free Edition. You will end up onto the screen. Simply start for free and enter in here your details, and you're going to be using TurboTax completely for free. So first of all, you need to enter your basic details, email address, and your phone number to get started with creation of your account. Once you do, you will have your W2 income form and 1099 INT and other forms, child tax credit, so of that process. So this is how simple it is to use TurboTax for free, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.